Let's talk about some of the news here and some of the efforts of the Georgia National Guard. They are being used to help decontaminate several metro Atlanta nursing homes. Yesterday, they cleaned out a senior living center in Woodstock. The service members are part of the infection control teams who are sent to aid the most vulnerable citizens. On to Albany, Georgia now, and this is a major hotspot for coronaviruses here in our state. 800 cases plus and counting in this small South Georgia city. Things are dire there with medical centers being overrun by sick patients. And today we're learning more about how the coronavirus outbreak actually started in Albany. CBS 46's Ashley Thompson explains.
At least 843 positive coronavirus cases at Phoebe Health in Albany, and officials confirming to CBS 46 News the outbreak has been linked to several funeral services.
Our massive outbreak happened as a result of the spreading of the virus through a common funeral home that had multiple large funerals that were highly attended.
One of those funerals was for Andrew J. Mitchell. On February 29th, a service for him was held at the M.L. King Funeral Home. The man who performed the eulogy was suspected to have coronavirus and later died from it.
It's unfortunate that there were symptomatic individuals who were there, and given the nature of funerals in the South, people hug, people love. A lot more was spread than condolences, for sure.
Officials are also linking the outbreak to another funeral at the Gethsemane Worship Center International.
It almost seems surreal that here we are with essentially a plague and a pandemic affecting us here in Southwest Georgia so heavily.
On its Facebook page, the M.L. King Funeral Home says, quote, "In response to the breaking news report linking us to cases of the coronavirus, please know that the funeral home has always complied with city and state safety regulations." The post goes on to read, quote, "Although we have been identified as a common factor in the tracking of the COVID-19 in Albany, know that we are operating within all regulatory safety or health guidelines."
Learn from areas that have been hit very hard, like Albany.
It's important to note that these funerals occurred before a shelter-in-place went into effect. Right now, Phoebe Health is reporting at least 36 deaths there. More than 1,200 people are awaiting test results. In Atlanta, Ashley Thompson, CBS 46 News.